So today I have the key fob to a brand new 2026 Subaru Uncharted. Now let's assume that the key fob battery in this thing went bad, which hopefully won't happen for a year or two. But I'm going to show you how to replace it once it does. So grab your key fob like I have, flip it on its back, and on the side closest to where it would connect to your keys, you see this little tab and it's got an arrow. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna flick the tab in the direction of the arrow. What that's gonna do is release this manual key right here. So do both, kind of flip it down and pull on the location where the manual key will pop out at the same time. You can see you have the manual key here. Now, some videos, you just put this manual key to the side, you won't need it. But for the purpose of this video, you need it because of this bezeled edge right here. What you're gonna do is take that bezeled edge and you're gonna see in the center of the middle of where you just took it from, there's gonna be a perfect location for you to put that key, like that right there. And once you put it in there, twist this key up or down pretty hard, and it will open up the two sides of this key clamshell, like that. Now, I recommend keeping the clamshell together and then flipping the button side down. And what the reason for that is you're gonna have the circuit board face down and the battery face up. So you can see this is a CR2450 battery. I do not need to replace it, so I'm not gonna pop it out. I get some folks on my videos for these key fobs saying, you didn't show us how to get it out. Well, I'm just gonna tell you that take that bezeled edge, stick it right here on the bottom, flick it up, take a screwdriver, just do it with a fingernail if you're long enough, just be gentle and stick it right in this location. Fingernail, screwdriver, this key fob, just flip it up, it'll come out, I promise. Once you do, be sure to not touch the new battery the opposite of the writing, because the oils on your finger will break down how the battery works, and long term you'll be doing this a lot faster than you should have not had your oils on your fingers, for example. So put it back in. Remember, CR2450 battery. I'll put a link in the description, or it'll probably pop up from the Google ads or the YouTube ads across this video right now. Click that link, get the cheapest battery you can. Your results may vary if you do this at a dealer. Some people say they'll do it for free at their dealer because they want to keep you as a customer, and sometimes you get a bad dealer and they'll want to charge you an hour worth of labor for this. So your results may vary. I just personally buy a battery and do it at my house. But you pop the battery out, you put it back in, you're going to do the reverse of everything. So clamshell it all back together. I always joke to not push the red button to freak yourself out or your neighbors if you're in a neighborhood doing this. You're going to hear a bunch of audible clicks. You're going to be good to go. But don't forget to take your manual key, slide it back in for your last click you're gonna hear, and you are good to go. Like I said, you do not need to code the key fob back to your car or anything like that. If a dealer tells you that, they're just trying to get an hour's worth of labor out of you, or they're just trying to make you feel special that you came in to use them. If they were telling you that story and then doing it for free anyway, they just want to get you in the door to sell you something. So I hope this kept you from having to go to the dealer. If you can please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you've not already, and if you can please like some of the, or use some of the affiliate links to buy your own battery to do this for yourself, I'd appreciate that as well. Thanks for watching.